Am I returning this?
Okay, it's my family, November, December. It's in the good season for planting tobacco. Preparing for in the small field and planting the seed in the same sprinkle in the same spray. After 40-45 days for the planting at 15-20 centimeters. Pick for the planting one by hand for the planting most beautiful, most strong, and replanting the other field one by hand for the planting to grow. 3 months for to grow. And 3 months for the planting is 1.5 meter, cut for the top, finish grow only for the leaf most big. After 20-25 days, the leaf is big, it's beautiful for recollection the leaf. And 3 parts for the planting, light, middle, stronger. The leaf at the top is most strong for receive more for the sun. Not one planting for roll one cigar Cohiba, not one planting for Monte Cristo. It's in the same plant for everybody cigar. Since you in the good combination, the position, the leaf with the planting, light, middle, stronger, it's possible to roll 27 different brown the tobacco. Cohiba, Habano, Partagas, Monte Cristo, everything. In the finished recollection, the leaf put it in the big house for 3 months to dry. Finish dry, everybody farmer's obligation, 90% of the leaf of the government, 10% to the farm. Wow. The government, for the process, the leaf has obligation to use chemical for fermentation, ammoniac, tar, nicotine, for long time conservation. For the process, and here is natural. The leaf, the finish dry, put the leaf in the big table and put the water in the same sprinkle. Put the leaf inside the big box. This is material is palm leaf. Palm leaf is the natural humido protector most traditional in Cuba for 4-month fermentation. After the 4 months, put the leaf on the table. Is my grandfather preparing for the big cocktail. For cocktail is tradition in my family for 105 years for planting tobacco here. Put in honey, rum, citron, cinnamon, water, orange juice, pineapple juice. For the cocktail is ready, put the leaf in the same sprinkle. Put the leaf inside the box more 45 days. For the leaf absorb for the cocktail for smell, flavor, color for conservation. Now the leaf is ready for smoke one cigar. For the process completed, you plant it for the seed and you possibly smoke one cigar completely natural, no chemical, no nicotine, no machine, only by hand, 1 year, 1 month, 1 year, 2 months. Okay? For the government, it's possible to plant it for years for the use of chemical for acceleration for the process. And here now, it's only one plant for years. The process very long. Okay? I just manage you touch now the leaf before the fermentation process.
That's before fermentation, so it's not ready.
Now the other leaf is after the fermentation. You touch and you smell.
It's nothing.
Nothing yet. That one is.
That one is ready. It's dry, it doesn't have any smell.
This was supposed to
It's
be
not
that,
like the
right?
Lamar.
After the fermentation. Yeah, for ready for roll one cigar.
My mama code.
Ready for to smoke. Ese es antes.
Where y'all from?
Okay, any question? Okay, no question. Now you go to the bar. It's my cousin making for you one cigar. You're possible to try one.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Gracias.
Okay, as you need to wake up.
The factory remove 0.5% the nicotine. The other part inside for cigar and the cigarette. What is the problem? The nicotine may addiction. So the factory make cigar not addictive. Is the people not pay every day for smoke cigar and cigarette. Here is tradition of my family. Remove the nicotine for compost. Finish the nicotine. And this is my cigar. No chemical, no nicotine. It's organic cigar. You keep it the ash. The ash more big is more better the quality of the cigar.
Keep that.
You keep it. The ash, you checking the quality of the cigar in the ash. Normally the ash is one finger. Maybe like this, it's a good cigar.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, like this,
Keep it on there.
like this,
Yeah.
good cigar. More big, it's more better. You're checking the quality in the ash. And the cigar for you smoke, you know, is only one puff. It's a 2 puff for the fire roads and a 1 for you take. Two a little big for the fire roads in the cigar, and 1 long for you take in the mouth.
Interesting.
For prepare one cigar is a 3 parts: filler, binder, and wrapper.
Salamander. Or gecko. It's a gecko. It's a new. Or new.
You never seen it done like that. You never seen it done like that.
That was so fast.
That's straight up, ain't it?
That was quick.
That's a real deal. Yeah, I'm a roll of blunt.
In the factory is a use machine for prepare the cigar, is machine for the press. Here is the press is paper. Input the cigar in the paper 5 hours, the paper absorb the humidity. After the 5 hour finish the paper, input the last part, the wrapper. Wrapper is the leaf the medium the plants. It's especially for upsides, it's more elastic. Now it's a demonstration, you know can sit here 5 hours.
We could sit here 5 hours if it was stars.
Yes, 1 domino, 1 bottle rum is very fat.
I just need some food.
Now it's a demonstration. After the 5 hour finish the paper, the cigar is like a woman. And you touch more the cigar is very good, and you touch more the women is very good. Yes, it's very important in Cuba. In Cuba, if you not touch your wife, other boy touch for you. Finish the cigar. And this is not ready for smoke.
It's
Not
not
ready for smoke, not put on the paper 5 hours, it's more humidity.
right.
It's necessary. It's supposed to smoke, and it's necessary and put fire again and again. And this is necessary. Put on the paper 5 hours. After the 5 hours, he's ready for smoke. After the 5 hours, no smoke the cigar, no problem. Keep it the cigar in the pantry leaf. All the syrup box. This cigar is supposed to keep it for 4 years. No more. The 4 years, the quality down. It's a fermentation, it's organic. Only 4 years. You like this. These are like a Monte Cristo. And these are like Cohiba.
What gives the name to the cigars, Monte Cristo?
And the different combination of the leaf and the fermentation. For example, the Cohiba, this Cohiba, and the fermentation, the leaf is for 2 years. And the combination of the leaf for the Cohiba is 2.5 top, 1.5 medium, 1 bottom. And the Monte Cristo, the fermentation for 1 year. And the combination of the leaf is 1.5 top, 1.5 medium, 1 bottom. Depending the combination of the leaf, it stay different brown the cigar. Let's say 1 plant for Cohiba, 1 for Monte Cristo. All brown the cigar, and this is same plants. Only 1 brown the cigar, no same plants in Cuba. The name is cigar Robaina. Robaina only possible made this cigar for the leaf produced in this farm. Farm Robaina is Oeste de Pinar del Rio. And this is Cohiba. Do you understand? You understand my Spanglish? Perfect. Here made this cigar for smoke the family. All for example, for the people who come in here is a preferred wife. for present the family, the friend, for special day, for Christmas, and this no problem. No problem, the custom house is possible by 4 person, 50 cigar the farmer, and 50 cigar the factory. Only country they limited for buy this cigar is Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand only possible buy 20 cigar like this, no more than 20. Less than 20, no more than 20. And this only country not limited by this cigar is United States. United States not limited by this cigar, consider it souvenir or support the Cuban people. One cigar like this in the factory, the price 10, 15, 18, 20, 25 cook for one cigar. Here in put in this pack, 14 cigar Monte Cristo is 45 cook. It's a 3 cook, 0.20 each. And the 20 cigar Monte Cristo, the price 60 cook. It's a 3 cook each. The Cohiba is 12 and 24. 12 Cohiba, the price is 50 cook. 24 Cohiba, the price is 100 cook. It's 4.15 each. This cigar is different price the factory, and this cigar no have label, no name, nothing. Now I put the my cigar the label Cohiba. The price is 20, 25 cook, one cigar. And this is different the cigar the factory and the tree in Havana. In Havana, many people are talking for the tourists. Go today to the cooperative. Today is a special price. Only today is possible buy cigar. Today is a festival. The Havana, his fate is black marketing. Inside banana leaf, corn leaf, guava leaf, no is original cigar. This cigar is handicraft, it's organic cigar. Only here is possible you like this cigar. If you want to buy, no problem. If you don't like buy, no problem. This is up to you. Do you understand everything? Do you understand? More important. Any question? And for example, the smell of this cigar is different than the other cigar. For example, you go to the one restaurant, one people smoke one cigar at the factory, 10 meters, the smell is stronger, you know, before you know the smell of the one cigar. And this cigar, the smell is light. The taste is sweet. Any question?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
I'll take this one.
Big one? Yeah. You want to try one cigar?
Okay.
Yeah.
One cigar?
Yeah.
And we're gonna see who knows how to smoke pot.
Sonny, put it in your mouth.
But
No, wait.
Yeah.
Can please?
Come on.
Ahí no voy a coger.
Oh my God, come up and blow.
The honey on the set. Yeah, that's the whole other.
What's it like?
¿Alguien más?
It's the honey. Right now, it's the honey
That's making it taste
that I'm
good.
tasting. Yeah.
You keep it in your mouth. You don't swallow. Just keep it smoke in your mouth.
you don't
and
inhale it.
You don't inhale it. Yeah.